Hey guys, welcome to Dev Domain. In today's video, we are going to learn about thread scheduler. So a thread is nothing but it is a basic unit of CPU used for the independent execution. Okay. So when we create multiple threads, the thread scheduler is a part of JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine, that decides which thread should run next. So the thread scheduler decides after completing the tasks of one thread which thread should run next. It comes into play only when two or more threads are ready to run. Thread scheduler comes in the picture when two or more threads are in running state. Okay, that is nothing but the runnable state. Let's see how it decides. Okay, so how it decides after completing the thread's task, which thread should be next thread should be executed. So it depends on two things. Okay, so the first is thread priority and the second is underlying operating system. Now we will see first thread priority. You can set the priority of a thread from 1 to 10. The thread has priority 1, then it has the lowest priority, and if the threads have a priority 10, then it has the highest priority. But Java only gives a hint to the scheduler. It's not guaranteed that the highest priority thread will always run first. So the Java just gives a hint to the scheduler, but it does not have any guarantee that according to the priority the thread will execute. Okay, the next is underlying operating system. So the actual decision is made by the OS, that is operating system. So the results may vary on different machines. Now let's see some example. Suppose we have two threads. Okay, so one thread's priority is 8 and another thread's priority is 2. So according to the logic, so the thread which has highest priority, that thread should execute first. The threads that priority has 8, it will execute first, and then the thread that priority has 2, then it will run after it. Okay, so even though the first thread has the higher priority, the second thread might be run first. Okay, so it's completely up to the scheduler. Okay, so it might happen that second one will run first, okay, which has lowest priority, and after that the first thread will be executed. It might can happen. Now let's see some important points related to the thread scheduler. Only threads that are ready to run, that is runnable, are considered by the scheduler. Okay, so only that threads are considered by the scheduler which are in runnable state. Next, threads priority does not guarantee the execution order. So the priority given to the threads does not guarantee of executing the threads. So next point is, do not write your logic depending on which thread will run first. So next is, thread scheduling behavior may vary on different computers. So as I have discussed that it may vary according to the OS. So these are the important points of thread scheduler. So thank you for watching this video.